Introducing my new bike. It is a Trek, it is a Lexa, it is a size small, and it's alloy, and it's Sora, and I've downgraded. Why, Katie, why would you downgrade? The reason I've downgraded is because this is going to be my commute, well it is my commuter bike. It is my commuter bike, it's my winter bike, it is my bike if I want to go to the shops and lock my bike up in the centre of Manchester if I want to. That is the reason that I bought this bike. This bike was actually bought second hand as well, so it was an absolute bargain. It was £130, and I'm really happy with it. I've commuted today for the first time on this bike, and I'm very happy with it. The fit feels really nice, feels really comfortable, and yes, but the reason I'm sure you're saying is like, why would you downgrade? Why would you not just use your bike? Well, as you know me, if you do know me, if this is the first video you've watched of mine, then hello. But if you've been watching my video for a while, you will know the love I have for my Giant. It is the love of my life. I love that bike so much, and I was reluctant to lock it up outside of work. I was reluctant to kind of take it just for the shops. And I know I shouldn't be sentimental, but I am. And I would be really upset if it got stolen. So I bought this bike as, I mean, obviously I wouldn't be particularly happy if it got stolen, but yeah, that is the world we're living, where bikes do get nicked, and I wouldn't want my other bike just for sentimental reasons to get stolen. And yes, and I have to retract something I've said in another video, because I said that a 105 is like a really good group set to have for a bike. This has got Sora on it, and I'm really impressed with it. I mean, it's not even full Sora, it's got FSA cranks on it, but I am so impressed with it. It just feels really nice. I don't think the shifters are as ergonomically friendly as the 105s, but I'll get used to it. I mean, it's a commuter bike, it's fine. I'm doing like 30k on it to work and back, so 30k total. So yeah, it's fine, it's fantastic. And I think a lot of people tend to upgrade and spend thousands and thousands and thousands of pounds on a bike, and that's fine if that's what you're into. But I am like the opposite of that. I am more about spending my money on cycling holidays, on, like, I think a power meter is essential to have on a bike. And what else do I spend my money on? That's pretty much it, really. Obviously, like the upkeep and general maintenance, but blingy bikes, carbon, it's just not for me. My carbon bike actually is in the bike shop at the minute, just getting a couple of little tweaks, because I'm selling it. I'm going to sell that bike. That bike will be on sale hopefully by the end of the week. So if you are interested in buying it's a medium Giant Avail full 105, because I put the group set on it, well, not me personally, but it's got a full 105 group set on it. It's carbon, it's barely been ridden, it's in really good condition. So if you do want to buy that bike, then let me know. I'm in Manchester, so you probably need to be fairly close. Anyway, carbon, your bike has to fit your needs, and for me, like, carbon is just not something that I need, whereas I want something that's like robust, like alloy. I love alloy. And yeah, I go on cycling holidays, so I don't want to be worried about putting it into a bike box or in a cardboard box and chucking it on a plane. And like the weight thing, I don't really need to worry about that. I just love alloy. So yeah, that's why I'm selling the carbon. I think most people, if you watch this channel a lot, you'll know that that's been coming for a while, but I'm just finally gonna actually part ways with it. So yes, I think that's pretty much it. I just wanted to kind of introduce you to the new bike in case you see it in any of my videos, if I'm commuting or if I'm just kind of popping into town. You know where the bike's come from, you know what it is. What I would say, I'm talking really quickly, sorry. What I would say about buying second hand is just buy it off someone that that seems trustworthy, because I've been looking for maybe like 6 weeks for a new bike, and I've been looking on Gumtree and eBay, and some of them just look, you're like, that bike has obviously been stolen. And I would never ever want to buy a stolen bike, no matter how good a bargain it was. I just hate the idea of funding that, so, as probably most people do. But yeah, this woman was just so nice. I went to Wigan to buy it, and she had bought it from Evans, had it a couple of years, done a couple of like sportifs on it, and it's just been sat in the shed. So she was like, I probably should just get rid of it. And it was like 130 quid. It was an absolute bargain. The only thing I've had to change on it is the seat post, because the seat post in it was like so short, so it didn't actually fit. It was way too short for me to raise it to, so I had to buy an extra seat post. And I've also bought a new cassette because it had a 28 on it and I just wanted a 32. So I probably spent in total maybe about 150 quid on it, which is an absolute bargain for a bike that is so comfortable, so nice. Yes, I think that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a little thumbs up if you wouldn't mind, because it does help me out. And as always, if you haven't subscribed already, then please subscribe. Just press the red button. It's free. You get more content from me. You will see me on your homepage when I've uploaded a video. And I'm going to be trying to upload more, I will be uploading more videos. So yeah, expect to see a lot more of my face and a lot more of my bikes. So I think that's it for this video. I hope you've had a good day. And I will see you tomorrow for another video. 5 PM is my upload time, 5 PM UK time. So yeah, that is that for now, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye! Ta-ra!